What is up, Theta homies? It is your boy Justin Massetti back again with another Theta token video, another Theta token update. Just a friendly reminder, if you're new to the channel, trying to find as much Theta news, updates, NFTs, or any kind of Theta partnerships, definitely please hit that like and subscribe button. Definitely check out all the links down below in the description for all the links I post in this video, along with my Imagine Replay referral link if you're trying to earn as much TNT20 token, especially on the Theta blockchain. So now diving in under the Explorer page, we're going to start with the price and move on to the news. Starting on the Explorer page, we're going to see that the current price of Theta is at that $1.17 mark, as well as TV at that 4-cent mark, almost at that 5-cent mark, and T-drop at that 0.0017 mark. So we shall see where the rest of Theta price will go by the end of 2023, see where it will begin in 2024, so on and so forth. I'm hoping for the best, especially with this type of bull run, in a sense that people are saying that it's going to start. And just another reminder that none of these videos are financial advice. Definitely do your own research before investing, guys. So now going on to X, we're going to see the post that Theta Network tweets or post now. The Pog digital Theta subchain is now live. Pog Chain and its TNT20 utility arcade token Pog coin will support the Pog collectible release on Theta drop in December and blockchain games built on the Pog platform in the future. Pog subchain can be viewed on the Theta Explorer page. Here's that link right here. Going on to a little bit more on Pog Chain, seeing also here is the metachain, the subchains on Theta Network, and we'll definitely dive into that as well. Over here, seeing that the Pog Chain and Pogs coin has launched on Theta in partnership with the Amazon Web Cloud and Theta Network. I believe that's Amazon Web Services. So when you hover over that link, going on to Theta itself, seeing the subchains, Pog Chain. Pog Chain is an advanced subchain platform redefining digital entertainment and gaming with a nostalgic twist of Pog collectibles. When you click on this actual link itself, this subchain, it takes you to the Pog chain, says the Pog coin, Pog total supply. It looks like, I believe that's 1,700,406,008 for active wallets, and then the total chain wallets, our on-chain wallets, is 17. So we shall see where this actual platform will go. I do believe, if you have not read that white paper, there's a lot of great things in store for it, especially if things do work out with Theta and Pog coin. So I'm just something hopeful to look out for, especially with all the updates. I'll definitely try to keep you guys updated in terms of this project and partnership between the two for Theta and Pog coin, but there's still a lot more to come. I feel like a lot of things that are in the works, so we shall stay tuned for that type of news. So if you don't mind yet, if you haven't, definitely please hit that like and subscribe button for as much Theta news and partnerships. Going on to the next part, we're going to see here as well, going for Bitcoin news. Coinbase launches a new feature allowing users to send Bitcoin crypto via WhatsApp, Instagram, and TikTok. So we'll see how this whole thing works out with sending over through websites and social media. I don't necessarily know if it's actually going to work, but we shall see how this whole partnership, or if this actually becomes true and works out very well. I'm not entirely too sure if this is actually like in the works as of right now, or just like an announcement, or if it's actually somewhat in place or in beta. Definitely comment down below what you guys think, because I personally don't see that being so useful at the moment, or trustworthy or reliable, I could say, I guess is the best way to say it in terms of the making of this video. I don't see that being very reliable way to send any kind of tokens. I don't know why you would try to use any social media when you can just use, I guess it makes sense if you have a wallet, if you have like a lot, but like in a sense use like a different kind of wallet, I guess, that doesn't have as much funds. But who knows, maybe that's just me, just because it's also just a person on YouTube trying to make videos. So some news I find on X, and we shall go from there. So that's what I have in terms of that. And so definitely comment down below what you guys think about the TikTok, Instagram, and WhatsApp able to allow users to send Bitcoin. That will definitely spark some interest, and I think a little bit of controversy. Going on to a little more updates as well, seeing that a massive shout out to Theta Network for being their broadcasting partner for the Crypties Awards. Through Theta, we bring the Crypties Awards to you, celebrating excellence in Web3. Save the date, looks like December 20th of 2023, and join us for the extraordinary night, #Crypties. I don't necessarily know, I just recently saw this post, and then I will go on to a little bit more on their page itself, seeing that the official home of the Crypties Awards from Decrypt Studios and Decrypt Media. So it kind of makes sense as to why this partnership, because Theta Network has already partnered with Decrypt GG. So we'll see how this whole partnership all entails. So it's kind of nice. It's going to be able to broadcast and utilize Theta Network, their whole project all together. Utilizing the tech is what the whole point is, to demonstrate for maybe even bigger groups and adopters that it works, the project works, the whole system is working, and that's the whole point of Theta Network in terms of broadcasting NFTs. But more specifically in this example is more for broadcasting their type of award ceremonies. So we shall see when this does go live on December 20th of 2023. Hopefully it does very well and that a lot of people will be able to attend, or not just attend like in person, but actually attend the event to watch those award ceremonies in progress. Definitely comment down below what you guys think about this partnership, the Crypties as well as Theta Network. You think you are going to be able to watch? Do you want to just see some highlights, things like that, or do you plan on just like or if you're actually able to attend the actual event? I don't necessarily know if there's actual invites for a live show or if it's just going to be like an online type of speaker and then they're just going off awards. Not entirely too sure. Haven't heard too much about it other than this post that was on X recently. So that'll be interesting to see on what they have in store for us, especially with Theta Network. So we shall see on December 20th, like I mentioned. Going on to a little bit more for advertisement for Theta. Seeing here, this post says, just a matter of time, fundamentals, patents, partners, community, team, real needed solutions, cheaper environment friendly, unnecessary infrastructure investments, using existing sources and being rewarded for it. Building the world's most powerful decentralized network, NFA, not financial advice, do your own research, edge computing, edge network, Web3, NFT, storage, AI. So we shall see how Theta Network definitely pulls this off for the end of this year of 2023. I feel like there's so much in store. I feel like a lot of people who are in the project already, who are invested in it, also believe that there's going to be a lot more incorporated for 2024. Not only that, but we've also noticed that Google and Gemini, in terms of their partnership, I feel like there's been a little bit of controversy with that type, because with that advertisement that we saw, it was very hype, very something looking forward to, because it was also partnered with Theta. But also I believe at the time in the making of this video that there was a little bit of a controversy because it may not have been like necessarily true the entire video. Some of it may just have been edited so that it looks more amazing than it actually is, just because it's in its beta form, not necessarily up to the Gemini Ultra. I believe that is what the whole point is for that type of utility for that AI. But that's just my own opinion based on what I've able to research online. So we shall see what is more in store. Hopefully they'll be able to utilize Gemini, update it more so that it actually becomes true as to what we saw with it. I'm trying to hold off on the news just because it's fairly new and I'm not too entirely sure if everything that we are seeing currently is true. So I'm trying to hold off on too much information, just making sure I'm doing my own diligent research so that when I'm presenting news for you guys that it's legitimate and there's nothing going back and forth between videos, and just making sure that all the information I provide for you guys is pretty accurate. So I'll wait on that, especially I'm seeing most of my posts on X. But that is all I really have for you guys in regards to this Theta video. If you're an OG viewer and subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to the channel. If you're a new viewer, definitely please hit that like and subscribe button. Definitely check out all the links down below in the description for all the links I post in this video, along with my Imagine Replay referral link if you are trying to earn as much TNT20 token, especially on the Theta blockchain, guys. Thank you so much for visiting. I'm really looking forward to the next video, the next Theta update, and anything Theta related for 2023, the end of it, as well as the beginning of 2024. But until the next video, until the next Theta update, it is your boy Justin Fassetti, so try to keep up. Alright, deuces.